Hello, and welcome back to English Friends Chat. We're so happy to see you here with us for another long and helpful lesson today.
Hi everyone, we are very excited because today we are visiting one of the most important rooms in the house. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video. It helps us stay connected with you and helps other people find our lessons too.
Yes, thank you for your support. It makes us very happy to see our community growing every day. Ryan, you look very hungry today. Are you thinking about food?
I am always thinking about food, Emma. But today I am thinking about how to cook it. I have my apron ready.
An apron is a great thing to wear so you do not get your clothes dirty. I am drinking a glass of cold water because I am going to talk a lot today.
Water is important, especially in a hot kitchen.
Thank you, Ryan. I feel very energetic. I'm just excited to help our friends learn the names of everything in the kitchen.
Me too. It is a beautiful day to learn together. I think we are ready to begin our main lesson.
Today, we have a very tasty topic to discuss. We're talking about English in the kitchen.
We are going to learn the names of kitchen tools, common actions like cutting and boiling, and how to read a simple recipe.
We will teach you 10 advanced words and phrases that native speakers use while they are cooking.
We will also use very long role plays to show you exactly how to use these words in real-life situations.
This will be very helpful for your next time you prepare a meal or talk about food with a friend. Let us start our first section by looking at the big machines.
Emma, every kitchen has big machines that help us keep food fresh and cook it fast. We call these appliances.
Appliances. That is our first hard word. An appliance is a machine in your home that uses electricity to do a job, like a fridge or a stove.
My favorite appliance is the refrigerator, or we just say fridge for short.
The fridge keeps our milk and vegetables cold so they do not go bad.
And the freezer is the part that is very, very cold for ice cream and frozen peas.
You love your ice cream, Ryan. But what about the machine we use to make food hot?
That is the stove or the oven. We use the stove for frying and the oven for baking cakes.
Let us start our first long role play to show how to talk about these appliances. Ryan will be a friend visiting Emma's new house.
Wow, Emma, your new kitchen is beautiful. I love these silver appliances.
Thank you, Ryan. I am very happy with it. The refrigerator is much bigger than my old one.
I see that. It has so much space. And is this a new stove too?
Yes, it is an electric stove. It heats up very quickly, and the oven is great for making bread.
Ha 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 ha. I can smell something delicious right now. Are you baking something?
Yes, I am baking some cookies in the oven. They should be ready in 10 minutes.
I cannot wait to try them. Do you have a microwave too?
Yes, the microwave is over there. I use it when I am in a hurry to heat up my soup.
That is very convenient. You have everything you need here.
I do. Now I just need a good chef to help me.
That was our first long role play. We used the words appliances, refrigerator, and oven.
Now let us talk about the smaller tools we hold in our hands. We call these utensils.
Utensils, word number 2. An utensil is a tool you use in the kitchen, like a spoon, a fork, or a knife.
We use a spatula to flip pancakes and a whisk to mix eggs.
I always make a mess when I use a whisk. I mix too fast.
You must be careful, Ryan. And what about the things we use to cut food?
We use a cutting board and a sharp knife.
Let us do our second long role play about preparing a salad to show these utensils. I will be the lead cook, and Ryan will be my assistant. Okay, Ryan, we need to make a big salad for the guest. Please find the cutting board.
I found it, Emma. It is right here next to the sink. Which knife should I use?
Use the large knife to cut the lettuce, but be very careful with your fingers.
I will. I am cutting the lettuce now. What is next?
Now we need to mix the oil and vinegar. Can you find the whisk?
Yes, the whisk is in the drawer I will mix them in this small bowl.
Stop, Ryan. You are whisking too fast. The oil is flying everywhere.
Oops, sorry, Emma. I got too excited. I will go slower.
That is better. Now use the spatula to toss the salad so the dressing is on every leaf.
I am finished. The salad looks very fresh and tasty.
Great job, assistant. You're learning fast.
In that role play, we use the words utensils, spatula, and whisk.
Now we must talk about the actions we do with food. We call these cooking techniques.
Technique, word number 3. A technique is a special way of doing something, like boiling or simmering.
When we put food in very hot water with bubbles, we boil it.
But if the water is only a little bit hot and there are small bubbles, we simmer it.
Simmering is good for making soup taste very rich.
Another important action is to marinate.
Marinate, word number 4. This means to put meat or vegetables in a liquid with spices before you cook it to give it more flavor.
I like to marinate my chicken for 2 hours, so it is very juicy.
That is a smart technique, Ryan. Let us do our third long role play about making a pasta sauce. Ryan will be the teacher, and Emma will be the student. Ryan, can you teach me how to make your famous tomato sauce?
Of course, Emma. First, we need to saute the onions in a pan.
Saute. That is a fancy word. What does it mean?
Saute means to fry food quickly in a little bit of hot oil.
Okay, I am sauteing the onions now. They are turning brown.
Good. Now add the tomatoes and let the sauce simmer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes is a long time. Why do we wait?
Because the flavor becomes better when it simmers slowly. Do not let it boil, just small bubbles.
I understand. It is simmering now. It smells wonderful.
While we wait, we can marinate the meat for the next dish.
Cooking is like a science project. Everything has a step.
That role play had the words technique, simmer, marinate, and saute.
Now we should talk about how we know how much of something to use. We call these measurements.
Measurement, word number 6. It is the size or amount of something.
In a recipe, we use a teaspoon, a tablespoon, or a cup.
If you use too much salt, the food is ruined, so you must be accurate.
Let us do our 4th long role play about baking a cake. Emma will be the baker, and Ryan will be helping. Ryan, please read the recipe for me. How much flour do we need?
It says we need 2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Okay, I have the measuring cup right here. I am adding the flour now.
Wait, Emma. The recipe says a level tablespoon of sugar, not a big mountain of sugar.
You are right. A level spoon means I must wipe off the extra sugar so it is flat.
Exactly. Measurement is very important for baking.
Okay, I have the sugar. Now how much milk do we need?
We need half a cup of milk. Please pour it slowly.
I am being very careful. The cake is going to be perfect.
I hope so. I want a big piece when it is finished.
That role play used the words measurement and teaspoon.
Now let us talk about the feelings and the safety in the kitchen.
It is very important to be cautious.
Cautious, word number 8. It means to be very careful to avoid danger.
The stove is hot and the knives are sharp, so we must be cautious.
Another word is sanitary.
Sanitary, word number 9. It means clean and healthy. We must wash our hands and the counters.
And finally, when the food is done, it is delectable.
Delectable, word number 10. It is a very advanced word for delicious.
Let us do our last long role play about finishing a meal. Ryan and Emma are sitting down to eat. Emma, this meal looks absolutely delectable. The colors are so bright.
Thank you, Ryan. I was very cautious while I was cooking with the hot oil.
I can see that, and I like that your kitchen is always so sanitary. It makes the food taste better.
Thank you. I think a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen.
Now let us dig in.
Dig in. That is our first phrase. It is an informal way to say, start eating.
I am ready to dig in. This pasta is amazing.
I am glad you like it. Please help yourself to more bread.
Help yourself. Phrase number 2. It means you can take whatever you want. Finger licking good. Phrase number 3. It means the food was so delicious you want to eat every bit.
That is a funny phrase, but people use it a lot for fried chicken or ribs.
After we finish, we have to clean up.
Clean up. Phrase number 4. It means to wash the dishes and make the kitchen tidy again.
I will help you clean up because you did all the cooking.
That is very kind of you, Ryan. That is a piece of cake.
Piece of cake, our last phrase, it means something is very easy to do.
Cleaning a small kitchen is a piece of cake when we work together.
We have learned so many words today: appliances, utensils, simmer, and delectable.
We also learned about being cautious and sanitary in the workplace.
These words will help you feel like a chef when you talk about your meals.
Remember to practice these names while you're making your dinner tonight. We used many advanced kitchen words today. Let us review them for our friends.
I am ready. Let us go through the 10 hard words first.
Word 1 is appliances, the big machines like the fridge.
Word 2 is utensils, the small tools like a spoon or spatula.
Word 3 is technique, a special way of cooking like simmering.
Word 4 is marinate, soaking food in liquid to add flavor.
Word 5 is saute, frying food quickly in a little oil.
Word 6 is measurement, the amount of something like a cup or teaspoon.
Word 7 is teaspoon, a small spoon used for measuring.
Word 8 is cautious, being very careful.
Word 9 is sanitary, keeping things clean and healthy.
Word 10 is delectable, a fancy word for delicious.
And our 5 phrases were dig in, help yourself finger licking good, clean up, and piece of cake.
Now let us play a quick game called Kitchen Riddle. I will describe an item, and you guess what it is, Emma.
I love riddles. Let us play.
I am cold inside, I keep your milk fresh, and I have a door you open many times a day.
That is the refrigerator.
Correct. Next one. I am sharp, I have a handle, and you use me on a cutting board.
You are a knife.
Yes, last one. I am a machine, I am hot inside, and you use me to bake a birthday cake.
You are an oven.
Perfect. You know your kitchen very well, Emma.
It is because I spend a lot of time there eating. We are at the end of our lesson today. We hope you enjoyed our trip to the kitchen.
Thank you for staying with us and learning these new words and phrases.
Remember that the kitchen is a great place to practice English every day.
You can name your utensils while you are washing them.
That is a very good tip, Ryan.
Before we go, we have our question of the day.
Today's question is, what is your favorite kitchen appliance and what do you cook with it?
Haha, that is a great question. Please tell us in the comments below.
For example, you can write, my favorite appliance is the oven and I use it to bake bread.
Or you can write, my favorite appliance is the blender and I make fruit smoothies.
We are very excited to read your answers and learn about your cooking.
Thank you for watching English Friends Chat. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next video, friends.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.